Hello guys, welcome to another Saturday video, another Saturday vlog. We are going to mend the fence that I think I remember showing you or telling you, but that's what we're going to do right now, so that people stop trespassing there anyhow or just entering there. It might not be trespassing, but they bring their dogs. Some bring dogs and they poop there, and then later when our cows go to graze there, they eat poop, or some just come to chill there, then they start littering. They eat snacks and leave their litter there. That is also dangerous for my cow. So to protect myself and our cows, we are going to mend it. We are getting closer now. You can hear the river, but not too loud. Now I can see the river, and so can you. There it is, and it is not as full as it used to be. My girlfriend, as you are watching this video, come with a bikini because the levels are still the same. We are going to go swimming, and we have made it to the river. It is still not like the levels are still not the lowest, but they are going down and down. If it does not fade, which is unlikely because it looks like raining, then we shall swim. But right now Kamaru is moving this boat which are here. Is fetching water so that the ground will be loose. It will be muddy. I think you understand. You are a bright person. Wow. 2, 1 left. And it is out. Now he's carrying one. Let me also carry one. Let's go guys, I show you what we have come to make, the part of the fence we have come to build or to make or to repair. Yes, to repair, because it was built, it had been built. We have just come to repair it because it was spoiled. Tomorrow is coming with the other one. Before he gets here, let me tell you what we are doing. This is the part of the fence that has been broken. The part that we were jumping. The first time my girlfriend came to visit. This is the part we are doing high jumps over. Some time back when we were passing something through here, we needed to remove it so that the car will be able to pass. And now we need to mend it, repair it, because of the reasons I have told you when I was starting the video. So we are going to dig holes. Let me disconnect this from here, from the three of them. Let us see what the river brought with it when it was full. This fine soil, I don't know what is in it. It is very... It's like millet. No gold. Looking for gold first. I've come to fetch some water because the ground there is so hard. So it is hard to poke a hole. Dig a hole. Now I've come to fetch some water to pour over it so that the soil can be easier to dig. Listen. Very hard. But he has already poured the water. Let me start disconnecting. Discovery. There are rocks over there. I have finished disconnecting the longwood from the posts. That's how we'll call it. And now we have gone to look for more longwood so that we can connect the post and close the way. And Dungo has already come. And now we are going to this neighbor's land, which is very bushy and has a lot of trees. And he gave us permission. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, we have to go creating the path over here. No, I hear you. Dungo has gotten stung by the stinging nettle. Let us harvest these ones. Then we go look for more until we have enough. Dungo is cutting down one there. I'm cutting down this one and this one. Then we go look for more. We already finished there and put them over the fence. Now we are going through this bush looking for more. I have to go and or go clearing like Dungo. That one, where is it? I want to go somewhere there and see if that one is big enough, because that's why I'm going through these bushes looking for one stick that is thick enough and tall enough to become a fence. Let me go there as I look for more. It seems like the animal that usually eats the avocados lives over here. I'm seeing the steps. I'm almost there. Here it is. Here it is. Where is it? There. This one. Let me cut it down. There it is. Now it's only one left, which I'm not going to cut down. They are too thick. But one is going to do me service. Now I've finished preparing it for transport. I was removing the branches that were growing so that you shall see why. Now the only thing left is to carry it, and I'm wondering which way to go because each and every direction around me is bush. I think the only way to go is forward. Push it like this. From like the back is here and the front is like this. Push it like this so that it goes to our side of the farm. Then I'll carry it down. Let me try that real quick. I am under it right now. There are so many vines. Judge of the jungle vines. Here it is. You're pulling it. We are moving. I think if I lift it up like this, it can fall. The only problem is there is no path bush in front of me. So if I lift it, I won't even be able to go up. The only thing I can do is pull. Meet you on the other side. Some of these vines have moved very weird, and I thought it was a snake. My heart had started beating. I had started panicking already. I'm afraid of snakes. I thought it was close. Look at how far it is. Guys, it has made it to the other side already. That is left is for my sweaty face and body to cross this fence. Then go and carry it to where we are fencing. Here are some of the logs. What do we even call them in English? I really don't know. There's no word in my head other than logs, timber, sticks, big long sticks. brought them. Here they is. Oh, and Kamara has already put on the posts that we need. Is putting the last post. There will be 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one, which is digging for right now. Then we put those thingies, the big sticks, as we have said we shall be calling them, until I know the official word, the English word that is. Then it will be secure. Let us check the firm, how firm they are. Very firm. That one checks. Very sharp. And this one. Yes. Very firm it is. This is how it is made. First you dig the hole, then you put the post, then you put back the soil and hit it together. I don't know. Like, do what he's doing. Then rocks are added and hit so that it becomes even more firm. More firm. You add rocks so that it can be firm. Now it is time to connect the poles with the big sticks which are over there. Guys, we are done with making it, and Kamaro is going to test how strong it is. Ekamo isho igoro. Good work done. Let me sit on it. Sit on the fence. Wow. Very strong fence. All that work was worth it. And we have blocked the bottommost space so that if the sheep come to graze here, they will not pass through there. So yeah. Very strong. And it's not too high. We can play high jump when my cousins and my girlfriend, no, my sisters, my nieces and nephews and my girlfriend comes, and my friends, because we had my friends there. But whoever comes, we can play high jump here. We can see who. Let me try. And I'm going to be jumping with my gumboots on. I'm not changing. Straight. It is jumpable. It is good for exercising and stretching. And I am still athletic and flexible, which is a good thing. I like it.